Okay, so for step number 3, I'm going to turn my image back on so I know what it is that I'm drawing. So now, this is the challenging part, which we call the pen tool. This is the key tool in Illustrator, and this program helps us emulate that. So, I've got my pen tool that I've selected. What I'm going to try and be drawing now is these curved lines, okay? So what I want to do first is get rid of any fills. So clicking on the bin, and I want to put my borders, or my line width, as you could call it, to 4 pixels so it's the same. So what I'm going to do first, this line simply only has 2 endpoints, so this is nice and easy. I'm going to click down, let go, and then I can move my mouse over here. This is where the skill comes in. So I'm going to click down and hold my mouse, and then I'm going to drag out, and we can see what we've got called here is our anchor points. So you can see I can stretch all the way up to here, and all I have to try and do now is line these lines up with what I've already drawn. So once I let go and I've got this bit overhanging that I don't want anymore, I just simply press escape. Okay? So now I have my drawn curved line. I want to copy and paste that. Comes into the same place. And I'm going to give myself another eyebrow over here. And then I'm going to copy and paste that because I can see I've got another one here that I can just use for the eye. Okay. So another one, we can see the mouth down the bottom there. I'm going to grab my pen tool again, make sure I've got no fills or borders. Then what I'm going to do is come down here. If I want to draw a straight line, simply hold shift and you can see it goes red, and I click down again, and that's all I need. Okay. Then if I want to get back to this position, I click, hold down and drag. Okay. So then I'm letting go, and once I want to get rid of this, I just press escape, and that's now created my shape here. I'm going to do the same for the eye up here. 1 point, and as I want it to curve in the middle, I'm going to do that side first, and then I'm going to come over here. Okay, and then all I need to do for this one inside is copy and paste, but I'm going to just shrink it. Then I'm going to move it into position. So if I turn this layer off again, let's see how I've gone. Okay, so you can see the eye's a little bit off there. Drag that up. And what you can do, if you think that's not quite working, I double click on my shape, and then I can still edit my anchor point from here. Okay, so there we have how to draw curved shapes. Okay, so once you've finished doing all of your drawing, what you then want to do is unlock your image and simply delete. Okay, then the final step is going to be coloring that image. Alrighty, so that is the next step, and the final step is coloring. So we're going to